Welcome guys to Teconics. My name is Gaurav and today in this video we are going to upgrade this i6 transmitter to 10 channel transmitter. So let's get started. Welcome back guys to another video. So in today's video we are going to upgrade this FlySky FS i6 transmitter to 10 channel transmitter. By default this transmitter comes with 6 channel, but we can upgrade this to 10 channel by a hack. As you can see, it's showing the 5th and 6th channel, but we can unlock the 7, 8, 9 and 10 channel for this transmitter. So let's get started. First, take the programmable cable, connected. Now connect this cable to your computer.
Now turn on the remote. Long press the OK button. Now click OK to systems. Come down. Now click on firmware update. Click OK. Now arrow. Come to yes and click OK. Now we entered into the programmable mode. Let's jump to the computer part.
Open the link given in the description below. Here we have to download the version 1.5. Click on it. Now we need to download the programmable file. Click on it and click download. Open the software. Now here we have to select the port number on which our controller is connected. To check that, open the device manager.
You can see the transmitter is connected to the COM port 8, so we have to select the COM port 8 on our programmer.
Select the port.
Remember, if transmitter is connected to the software, it will show the current firmware version into the display. Otherwise, you have to reconnect the process.
So the firmware is uploaded. To check, let's go to the menu, click OK, come down, click on firmware version. As you can see, the new firmware is installed. Now let's go to the setup, aux channels. So as you can see, we are able to unlock the channels 7, 8, 9 and 10 on the FlySky remote, and I allotted the switches to each channel. For that you can use the button OK to navigate to the channels, and to change the switch you can just use up and down. As you can see, to save just long press the cancel button and the settings will save. Now to check if the switches are allocated to channels, simply go to the display, click OK, and here is the menu which shows the response of each channel. As you can see, I allotted the switch A to channel 7, as you can see, and on channel 8 I allotted switch B. It's working great. Then same with 9 and switch D with channel 10. So that's all. So hope you guys like this video. If you have any question, then do let me know in the comment section below. For more awesome tech videos, do subscribe to Teconics and do not forget to hit the like button. See you in next one.